Man of Mystery, David Blaine, part magician, part daredevil. Been buried alive? He's done it. Lived in an ice tomb? He's done that too. Stood high above New York City on a narrow pillar? David Blaine has been there, done that. Some people say Blaine is a modern Houdini. Harry Houdini was a famous magician in the early 1900s. His tricks and great escapes amazed people. When he was 5, Blaine saw a picture of Houdini doing a stunt. That image stuck with Blaine. It made him want to learn magic. You don't get into magic. Magic gets into you, Blaine wrote in his new book, Mysterious Stranger, A Book of Magic. Street magic. Blaine grew up in Brooklyn, New York. His mother raised him by herself. Blaine's first deck of cards was old and yellowed. Blaine treasured the cards. He thought their old age made them magical. As a young child, Blaine once did a card trick for a neighbor. Blaine did not know the man. The trick stunned the neighbor. It made the man smile. Blaine loved the way his magic made the man feel. Now at 39, Blaine still does what he calls street magic. He walks up to strangers on the street and shows them magic tricks. Blaine has made a career out of doing magic. He used to perform his tricks at parties. Now he does TV specials. Great feats. Blaine does more than simple magic tricks. He also does some very risky stunts. In 1998, Blaine let himself be buried alive. Blaine spent a week in a coffin. He survived on a little water and oxygen from a tank. A few years later, Blaine encased himself in a huge block of ice. He stayed in his icy tomb for 2.5 days. Last year, 2002, Blaine reached new heights. He spent 35 hours standing on a pole 83 feet high. To end the stunt, he fell down onto a tall pile of cardboard boxes. What makes Blaine do such crazy stunts? Perhaps Blaine's report of the crowd at his buried alive stunt says it all. I saw something truly incredible. I saw every race, every age group, and every religion gathered, smiling together. That made everything worth it. I saw magic.